Unravel the mystery of mixed conditionals. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting English language learning video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of conditionals, specifically focusing on the mixed conditionals. If you've ever been puzzled by sentences that seem to blend different tenses and conditions together, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are mixed conditionals? Well, mixed conditionals are sentences that combine two different types of conditional clauses, usually second and third conditionals. They help us express situations spanning different timeframes and hypothetical scenarios that didn't happen, but still affect the present or future. Here's an example. If you had worked harder at school, past unreal condition, you would be in a university now, present unreal result. See how the condition refers to the past, while the result refers to the present? That's a mixed conditional. Understanding the structure of mixed conditionals is key to using them correctly. They usually have two parts. 1. The if clause, a past perfect tense clause, and 2. The main clause, a present conditional clause or a future conditional clause. The structure typically looks like this. 1. If plus past perfect, would plus base verb, present result. 2. If plus past perfect, would be going to plus base verb, future result. Here's an example for each. 1. If I had studied harder, I would have a better job now. 2. If I had studied harder, I would be going to a better university next year. We mainly use mixed conditionals to 1. Express a past action affecting the present. 2. Describe how a past action would affect the future. They allow us to make a connection between different timeframes and hypothetical scenarios. So, next time you want to describe such a scenario, remember to use a mixed conditional. And that's a wrap on mixed conditionals. By understanding these powerful grammar tools, you can express complex ideas and hypothetical scenarios like never before. Remember, practice is key to mastering mixed conditionals. So keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time. As always, we hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.